I'm so tired of applying to jobs that don't even email me back. But guys, I literally just found something that might actually be worth getting excited about. iGlobal HR Solutions is hiring ERP engineers right now, and here's why this is different. First, it's actually entry level. No BS 5 years experience required for entry positions. This is for people just starting out. Second, it's for a US-based client. Better pay, international experience, way more opportunities. Third, they need immediate joiners. They're going to move fast, not make you wait months. And it's contract to hire, so you can prove yourself and land something permanent. You'd be working with SAP doing master data management, keeping company data accurate, updating records, helping users with issues, real hands-on experience that teaches valuable skills. The best part? You're learning SAP used by 400,000 organizations worldwide. This is career-building stuff. Email your CV to vikrant@iglobal.com. That's vikrant@iglobal.com. Seriously, don't sleep on this. Entry-level positions with growth potential and immediate hiring don't come around often. Like, comment, and share. Click the link to join our job channel. Your future awaits.